Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're starting a new project. Basically we had a project on the go. This is a last minute project, sort of jump in filler if you like. What it is, we've got the period of the week between Christmas and New Year, and John and Ernie have been great to give us palace panels just so that we can use the whole shop. So yeah, we had a big project in mind, but that kind of fell through last minute, and I've always had the plan, and that is to sort out my car, my ML. Let me give you a quick walk around of the car. I'll try and highlight as much as I can what we're planning on doing and all the marks and dents and stuff that we're looking to get out. So here we go. So obviously I'm going to replace this. I've got this is in the post at the moment, so that'll be here, but as you can see, all these scratches along here, I've got a crack here, so I'm going to have to reinforce that from behind, fill that. But yeah, general, I mean the car is not in the best shape. We've got some bubbling rust just around here that we're going to remove. I mean it's been a workhorse for someone. This wasn't me. I'm not that much of a bad driver. This was like it when I bought it. So we've got quite deep scratches along here. And yeah, like, you know, general bits like this on the edge of the door. Hope to try and clean up a little bit and bring this car back up to its former glory. So we've got this deep scratch that somebody's put like filler pen into that. Here Phil's just gone around marking these. We've got like, I don't know, this is like stone chip heaven around here. But all these little stone chips, I don't know if the camera's picking these up, but yeah, so basically we're going to give the car a good spruce up. This is probably the worst dent we have, just in this quarter wing here. Just coming around here, we've got the cracks all around here. Somebody's had an impact in its previous life. Some more scratches. You can see the bonnet's a few dents over here, and just, you know, you can see here these scratches, and it's really faded. So basically, yeah, I think that's roughly it for that side. And we've got bubble rust down here. You can see that there. So yeah, the car's not in great shape, to be honest, but hopefully when we're finished it'll give it that, you know, freshen look. Try and get it up to its previous best. This is what we're hoping for. So keep watching, see how we get on. Yeah, so yeah, I'm hoping to make it a 2-video episode, so you can follow us from the beginning to the end. Pretty much a tidy up of the whole car and get it back to that showroom, you know, shine, to when it actually has a presence to it. So keep watching, guys. It'll be fun.
Traveling the mountains just to find out loud seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want to...
Alright, so you join us back. What are we, about half an hour in now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Taking a few dents out. I've managed to get the majority of the dent out of the front wing. Now Phil's just working on the tailgate here. He's ground back some rust, taking it all back. So this is what you're doing, isn't it, Phil?
Yeah. Basically, we had 4 big, like, support mounts for the number plate. We don't want them anymore.
Yeah.
So I've ground them off. As you can see, there was rust behind them. See the rust there?
Yeah.
And the number plate. Somebody's obviously put a number plate on and screwed it on in a rather weird place.
Yeah, and then just not gave it any kind of protection to the rust.
The rust is got in there, yeah.
Yeah, so you can see they're all ground back now.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So I'll go around the handle. It says rust around the handle there, so that's all got to come out.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's getting there. Cheers, keep watching. Okay, so quick update for you on the Mercedes. We managed to finally get the bumper off the front. These ML bumpers aren't that much fun to get off, to be fair. We've also got the back bumper off. So this is in the preparations before we start painting it all. So I've got a few cracks to repair on the front bumper. You've caught me here fixing the bumpers. So the bumpers took quite a whack at the front at some point in their life and actually cracked all up here. This bit here was detached. So what I've been doing is I've taken the soldering iron and basically just started melting the plastic along the lines of which the cracks were. What I'll do, I'll just flip this over. So what I'm doing on this side is pretty much the same thing. So here you can just see this crack here, and I'm just taking this here and I'm just going to trace this line here, just enough so it starts melting the two plastics together and then creating a slight pull just so that the plastics then reconnect. And I'm doing this process all the way around, so just going to carry this on along here. This one I've already done over here so you can see. Basically here. So I've just melted the plastic together, fused it. Now we're going to be able to take this back with a DA, stick some filler in here so we're not using too much filler, and then yeah, that should reshape and come back nicely. But yeah, great little DIY fix there, so quite pleased with that. Wanted to quickly show you what we're doing for the rust treatment. I had like bubbles coming up underneath the paintwork, just like surface rust. So Phil has kind of taken that back with like a really abrasive pad that's spinning this. So now we're just applying some, what is this, like rust treatment, isn't it?
Yeah, basically it cures the rust.
Yeah, so I just popped down to Halfords and just bought this stuff. It was roughly about £6 for this small bottle. And what we're doing basically is we're just treating the rust. So as you can see, all where the arches had the rust, we're just coating this with this crust stuff, and this just, you know, prevents it from. We're going to be spraying over the top of this. So what we don't want to happen is in a couple of weeks' time, the rust will just come back through and just start bubbling up again. So hopefully with this, just to treat the rust underneath that we've just taken back, that'll be the end of the rust, so the paint job will last that little bit longer. So yeah, good stuff.
Good stuff.
Yeah, highly recommend it. Okay, so today that's day one over. We're going to call it a night now. It's got pretty late. So quick progress update for you. So the bonnet is basically that we've got the filler in there. The bonnet's all sanded down. Again, we've got all the rust inhibitor working its magic just along there. I've been tackling the front bumper. So as you can see, I've taken it back with a 240, I think I'm at the moment. So just working that. I'll be putting some filler on tomorrow, finishing off that. So yeah, a quick update for you. So that's the end of day one. We'll be in Brighton early tomorrow to get on with the rest of it. So yeah, keep watching.